Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to create a collage in Picsart. To create a collage in Picsart is super easy. First, open up the Picsart application and make sure that you tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen. Now choose the layout at the bottom of the screen. Now go ahead and select the collage option from the menu that appears on the screen. This will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can add photos. Go ahead and choose the pictures you'd like to create a collage with. Tap on the picture and keep adding more. You can select up to 40 different photos to add in your collage. Now it will also build a template for you at the top. Go ahead and select a template for your collage, and then you can arrange the images by tapping on them and moving or resizing it as needed. Go ahead and make necessary adjustments. You can also switch the photo sides by simply dragging it and pulling it towards the end where you want it to appear. After you are done with the edit, you can also adjust the spacing, opacity, rotation, and other effects for your selected frame. And finally, once you're happy with the collage, tap on apply at the top right. You can now save the project on your device or post it to social media according to your need. That is how you easily create collage in Picsart. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Picsart tutorial. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you.